Hi, I'm Jane, and my friend Jen is a career coach.
Hi.
She's challenged me to use this new AI tool, Indeed Career Scout, to find and apply for jobs. I'm gonna prove her wrong by comparing how long it takes me to find and apply for jobs on my own, and then with Career Scout. You all will be my witnesses. My goal today is to find jobs in the accounting field. I have a bachelor's in business administration, and I have experience as a financial planner, and now I'm looking for a change. I'm gonna go through each step of the job search process. If Career Scout is faster, she wins.
Well, I like to think we all win.
Well, if I'm faster, I win. I'm gonna give myself an hour to find good jobs in my field. It's quality over quantity here.
Okay, I'm setting the timer now.
Okay, let's go.
It's been a while. What's the status?
I'm not finding many jobs. I know that there are roles besides accountant that I'm qualified for, but I don't know how to find them.
Do you want to try Career Scout now?
Sure, let's try it. My experience, my job skills, my education are already on my Indeed profile, so that's taken care of.
All right, well, great. Now lose the laptop because it's actually on your phone. It's on the Indeed app.
Okay. Oh, it's a chat, and it's asking me what I want help with. All right, find a job based on my skills, salary range, remote or in person. Oh, wow.
What?
It already found more jobs than I did. And they're skills-based? So these aren't even in accounting. I wouldn't have even considered them, but I am totally qualified. There's even one on an esports team. It's exciting.
So Career Scout wins this round?
Not so fast. Challenge isn't over yet. Next step, resume. But while I'm here, I might as well save these jobs. Every job lists slightly different skills with different keywords, and so I have to tweak my resume for each job so that it gets past its applicant tracking software. I can do this. It won't take that long. Able to handle confidential information.
Excellent communication.
Attention to detail.
Good at tasks.
Good at talking. Interpersonal. Outer personal.
Well, there's that.
No. I think I sent in the wrong resume to this job. Oh, this is so frustrating. My eyes hurt, and I can't even keep track of all the different drafts for the different jobs.
That is frustrating. But Career Scout can tailor your resume for jobs that you're a strong fit for.
How am I going to revise my resume on my phone?
Just try it.
Oh, so when I click on apply, it takes me to my resume, and then it suggests changes based on the job description? That can't actually work. Huh. It looks great. And then I applied for the job.
Are you going to go back and apply for jobs without Career Scout?
All right, you got me on this one. I'm convinced. I have always hated applying for jobs, but this is kind of fun, and it takes so much less time. The challenge is over.
And
I'm happy to be wrong. Indeed, Career Scout made it so much easier, and I'm looking forward to using their mock interview tool too. I always put off prepping for interviews, but this generates questions for you, listens to your answers, and then gives you feedback. Yeah, I'm a fan. If you're watching this video, download the Indeed app and do your own Career Scout challenge, and then tell me how many jobs you apply for in the comments. Bye.